Hello folks, welcome to another video. So in today's video, we are kind of going to see about a vulnerability called as information disclosure. So what is information disclosure? So information disclosure is a vulnerability where some information should not be visible to the public people. So what happens is that information is actually crucial to the website owner or the business or the company that is owning the website, and any information that is in the wrong hands can result in exploitation of their website or the network or whatever happens. So in this case, certain information are considered as very sensitive, which are like service versions, application versions, and other source code of the website. So these kind of information the public should not be able to view. So whenever we are coming to information disclosure vulnerability, what we can report is when we find these kind of information visible to the public, and based on that, what is the impact that can be done, you can actually report it in either bug bounty or else a penetration testing report as well. So let's see how we can exploit that vulnerability over here. Okay. So first I will be kind of starting the intercept here, and then we will kind of select one product here, and it goes. So here you can see we are able to see get request and product equal to product ID equal to 1. So this is actually being sent to the web server, and the server will give us a response. So what I'm going to do is, here you can see this is the query. Whenever a question mark comes, this is the query. So this is a folder and this is the query, and product ID equal to 1 is the parameter. So when it comes to product ID equal to 1, these kind of parameters will always have numbers, not likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but can be any numbers without any order. So it will be like that. So in this case, instead of giving a number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some text here. So here I'm going to do test, and I'm going to forward it. Once I forward it, I'll close off the intercept, and when I go to the browser, I can see an internal server error message. So we can see the backend is using a lot of Java related code. So backend might be built with Java, and the main thing is that I wanted to see is this one. So here it actually revealed me this Apache Struts 2.2.3.1, which is actually a vulnerability. It's a service version, it's not a vulnerability. And what I want to do is, whenever coming to the hacker mindset, we should not stop till that. So this is just an information that you found, but knowing what we can do with this information is the real hacker mindset that will help you to find big bugs or big vulnerabilities in your pen testing report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and go for search with Google. So once I do that, you can see the first thing I'm seeing here is Apache Struts 2.3 like 2.3.1. Less than that, I see some vulnerabilities here. Let's see that what and all we see here. So you can see that there is a vulnerability that can do remote code execution in this kind of versions 2.3.1. What is that version? 2.2.3.1, 3.31. You can see this is the version that we can actually is vulnerable to this remote code execution. So these kind of details can give you that if any exploits are available for this certain vulnerability, or what kind of vulnerability it is and how it can be exploited. So submitting these kind of information in the report can result you in bigger bounties, or else it will actually give a bigger purpose for your penetration testing report. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope this is very useful for you or interesting for you. Please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing, and share it with your friends if they want to know more about hacking. So let me see you in the next video. See you then. Bye.